Here's another piece of classic gear. This time this is a Datong Electronics RF Clipper. It's basically, as far as I understand it, it's an external speech processor unit, which was made in the days when many of the amateur HF transceivers didn't have speech processors of any sort. So it's very simple. You've just got two controls for input and output here. You can vary the clipping levels here and here. You've got a switch to switch the clipper in or out, and you've got a 4-pin socket where you would plug your microphone in. And on the side here we've got a DIN socket, and that will run between the unit here and the radio. And this one actually came with a plug for I believe it's wired for a Yaesu 4-pin radio. You can see you've got the DIN plug here that goes into the unit, and the microphone plug that goes into your radio. I believe this runs on an internal 9-volt battery, which you'd have to remove the case to fit. This dates from the 1970s, I believe, and they were renowned to be an excellent little unit. I haven't got anything to test this on, but cosmetically it looks pretty good. There's a very slight mark on the knob there, but the dials and switches are all correct. Very little in the way of scratches. The 4 feet are there, and a nice little unit for somebody that has a vintage HF receiver. So the Datong Electronics Limited RF Clipper, another piece of classic radio gear.